Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm making quick and easy cheesy spinach corn samosas. This recipe is a bit of a cheat recipe. It is advisable to keep the list of some cheat recipes when you have less time in the kitchen or you have some unexpected guest. So this is the recipe that will be very helpful if you have some ingredients ready on hand. So let's prepare the cheesy spinach corn stuffing for the samosa. Heat up a tablespoon of oil on a medium to high heat. Add minced or chopped garlic. Add onion. Add salt, pepper, next add corn, red pepper flakes, and cook for about a minute or so. Let's check. Onion and corn has cooked nicely. At this time, add spinach in couple of batches. Now cook till no moisture left in the mixture. Spinach releases water, so be sure to cook until water is evaporated. When there is no water left, add cheese. Here I have Monterey Colby Jack cheese, and here I have cream cheese. Now mix everything really well until cheese is melted. As you can see, cheese starts melting fast because the mixture is already hot and the pan is hot as well. Just keep stirring until everything is well combined. I simply love the mixture. It looks yummy and smells amazing here. Alright, so everything is well mixed. Turn off the stove and now let the mixture cool completely. Now this stuffing can be prepared ahead of time because it needs to be cooled down completely before you start stuffing the samosas. You can even prepare the stuffing day ahead and refrigerate for up to 3 days. As the mixture cools, it will thicken, as you can see, which is perfect for making samosas. To stick the samosa pastry, I'm going to make the paste out of plain flour, which is all-purpose flour. To that, add water slowly and prepare the thick paste like so. Keep aside. And for this recipe, as I said earlier, this is a bit of a cheat recipe. So for this recipe, I'm going to use ready wraps. Now, I actually do prefer semi or fully cooked wrap or pastry or chapati, whatever you're using as your outer layer. The reason you will come to know later in this video. Why do I prefer semi or fully cooked pastry or the wrap for this samosa recipe? Take roti, chapati or any kind of wrap you have, cut into half. You can actually also cut into quarters and prepare small samosas, or you can just cut in half and then start making the samosas. So You can shape however you like. This is the one way. Like prepare the cone by just folding from two sides, or you can just simply fold in like this. But this way it's kind of a chances that the samosas will open up when fried, so I prefer to fold in like this and stuff. Cheesy with lots of spinach, corn, and yummy tasting filling. Push the stuffing in with the back of the spoon, and now using the paste, be sure to stick it really well, like so, and then place the side that we stick at the bottom. This will ensure to stick the samosa properly, and I'm going to prepare the remaining samosas. Now, as I said earlier, to prepare the small samosas, you can quarter chapati or the wrap, and then you will get a triangle like this. Fold two ends like this, and again you got the cone shape just like the other one, but you got the extra part over here which helps to close the samosa like this. So stuff it in, push the stuffing inside like so, and now apply the paste and close, so you get the perfect mini samosa like so, as you can see. Now, because these are cheesy samosas, I have a very important tip here to share with you all. When you are using cheese as a stuffing or filling, it is advisable not to cook your final product longer. Whether you are cooking, frying, because the cheese starts melting and will start to ooze out while frying. And that's the reason earlier I said that I prefer semi or fully cooked layer, the outer layer or the pastry for this samosa recipe. So let's fry the samosas now, and I'm going to fry outside. Before frying the samosa, make sure they are sealed properly before dropping them into the oil. Heat up about a cup of oil into the pan on a high heat in the beginning, and then fry the samosas on a medium heat until golden brown color. Like so. Look at the golden brown color and fry the remaining samosas. Alright, so here I have all the samosas ready. They look so beautiful. Look at them. I simply love the color, and they are crunchy as well. Now, if desired, you can reheat the samosas anytime you are ready to serve. You can freeze, you can refrigerate for up to a week, and then just make crispy again using air fryer. Even you can use air fryer, because the wraps or the outer layer is already semi or fully cooked, so you can definitely use air fryer to fry this samosa recipe, definitely, for sure. And I am ready to dig into this samosas. You can serve with your favorite chutney. Here I have chili garlic sauce. Hope you can hear that soft crunch. And that is how I like for this cheesy spinach corn samosas. Look at the inside of the samosa. I hope you enjoyed watching making of quick, easy, cheesy spinach corn samosa recipe. You can visit my website baunaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bauna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also download Bauna's Kitchen apps for free on your mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku or Amazon Fire or even YouTube app. Just enjoy however you like. Thanks for watching and see you soon.